Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video we are going to learn this blue smoky eye look. So let's get started. Very first step is you need a kohl pencil. I'm taking a blue kohl pencil. You can take any pencil you have in blue color, or even black will work in this case, but today, just to keep things different, I am using blue pencil. This is from K Beauty. I got this pencil when I went for India on a trip, and I really love this pencil. It has got amazing pigmentation. Now I am just lining my eyes using this pencil, just like a thick liner, and then I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm just blending this pencil with a light hand just to create that smoky effect. This brush technique really helps when you pack on the eyeshadow. It will give it a bit beautiful look. Today I'm using James Charles palette, and I have taken the dark blue color from the palette and I'm just packing that blue shade over my eyelid using the same fluffy blending brush. You can see there are two shades, but don't worry about the patchiness. I'm going to use the dark brown shade from the palette, and I'm just going to smooth out the edges using a fluffy blending brush, a new fluffy blending brush, because you need a bigger blending brush when you go up higher. And then I'm taking white eyeshadow from the palette and just cleaning my brow bone. And then I'm taking blue eyeshadow in my lower lashes as well, and some highlight for inner corner. Now I am taking blue shimmer on a flat brush and packing on my lid. You can also use your fingers, whatever suits should work well with it. Once I have packed this blue eyeshadow, I will be applying the same pencil under my waterline because it really gives beautiful effect. And then I'm curling on some lashes. I've applied L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara and some falsies. This is my complete look. Hope you love watching this video, and I will see you in next video.